Good day, everyone. I want to talk about something very important, not just for animals, but for all of us. Every creature on earth has a home. Birds have forests, fish have ocean and rivers, and land animals have grassland and mountains. These habitats give them food, shelter, safety, but every year, more and more of these habitats are being destroyed. When their homes disappear, animals suffer. Many are forced to move, struggle to survive, or become extinct. Protecting animals' habitats doesn't require huge steps from each of us. Reducing waste, avoiding littering, conserving water and energy, planting trees, supporting eco-friendly products, learning how our choices affect nature. When communities work together, the impact becomes even greater because animals are part of the balance of life. They help pollinate plants, clean the environment, and keep ecosystems healthy. When we protect them, we protect ourselves. A healthy environment means clear air, fresh water, and better future for the next generation. So today, I ask everyone, let us be the voice for animals who cannot speak for themselves. Let us protect their homes as if they were our own. If we act now, we can still save forests, ocean, and many species that make our world beautiful.